How to set up and use your AirTag. You will need an iPhone Touch running iOS 14.5 or later for this. Make sure your device has Bluetooth enabled and an active internet connection. Remove the plastic wrap on your AirTag. This should turn it on and make it beep. Bring your iDevice closer to it. A pop-up alert will appear with a connect button. Simply click on it. You will be asked to name your year tag. You can choose one from the list of available names or give it a custom one and hit continue when done. The pop-up will state that the year tag will be registered to your Apple account. It will also mention the email address and phone number associated with your Apple account and tap continue. Wait for it to finish setting up. Once done, it will show you its current location with you and introduce you to some of its features. Click done or view in Find My App depending on what you want to do next. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.